Hey everybody, PE School here with another winter activity for you. We're going to call this game Trim the Tree. So this game is going to work on a bunch of different skills such as underhand rolling, underhand tossing, overhand throwing. If you are working on a specific one, you may stick with that, or you can have students choose a variety of different skills. But anyway, you're going to set up your teams so they have a little basket of various items such as bean bags, a little scarf ball, a frisbee, a gator ball, and down there in the middle they have a target. So we're using these slim pins from US Games, and each team will have a set of 6 rainbow colors and a poly spot that matches their team color where they can set it up. So when the game starts, the students on this yellow team, for example, one person will choose an item that they would like to use. They can stay inside the hula hoop, or you can have them just stand right in front of it, and then they will try their best to knock over their first Christmas tree. So we're going to try and trim the tree by rolling or throwing or tossing an object and knocking over the slim pin tree. And if successful, they bring it back down to their team. And before they do that, they would need to set up their next slim pin tree, which would be the orange one, and then they would continue. So if they miss their target, they simply run back and put their item back in the box, and then the next person in line would choose what they would like to use. And then this is a kind of like a relay race against other teams. So we have 6 teams set up around the gym, and yeah, it's a pretty good setup. So you can have 20 to 30 kids playing all at the same time pretty quickly. And of course, you can modify it in a lot of different ways. You can use regular bowling pins, or you can have multiple bowling pins set up as the trees. You can also, of course, scoot the target closer or give students multiple chances, or all the students can roll or throw at the same time. Dozens of different ways to modify, but that is our little trim the tree activity. So hope you enjoy it. Hope you checked out the other winter games here on PE School. Thank you for the support, and I will have a little video demo of a team playing here at the end. So have a great holiday season.